Hey guys, so if you haven't known already, yesterday my 15-year-old cat Midnight Sally died, and I will explain why. You see, he had a little bump on his neck a while, and we thought it wasn't an issue, but then a few months ago, we realized that something, I think like a year ago, last year, and we know it was last year, but well, his thing started getting bigger, and we thought we had to remove his teeth. Then it was getting ready to pop, and I accidentally popped it. I didn't mean to, but luckily the doctor said that it was getting ready to pop, so it was good. Then the second time it popped, my mom did it because it was bleeding. Then Midnight kept scratching at it, and he was gonna get worse. And well, surgery is really expensive, so last week me and my mom made the tough decision to have him put down and have his misery ended yesterday. Midnight was me and my mom's best friend, and honestly, everything would not be the same without him. So, I really do miss my cat, and I hope he's, well, to be honest, while he did get put down, we're gonna have his ashes in about a week, so he'll be with us forever. Even though he's not alive, he'll still be remembered as our best kitty ever. Rest in peace, Midnight. You will always be remembered. Remember when Midnight.